Alright, guys. 27. Premium full size 27. I got one left in the series. Tanner B 2, Jeremy 2, Dudesta 1, Gregory 5, Noah 1, Tim 1, John 6, Sexy 1, Tanner 2, John 4, Vin 2, and Anthony with 5. Alright, guys. Greatly appreciate it. Let's pull some heat. 5 times on Payson column B next to the 32 NFL teams. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Jonathan, you're on top. Anthony's on the bottom. Alright. Anthony, Dolphins, Patriots, Saints, Titans, Skins. Craig, Ravens, Panthers, Browns, Eagles, Seahawks. Dude, Jags. Jeremy, Bengals, Niners. John, Cardinals, Bills, Cowboys, Broncos, Packers, Texans, Chiefs, Vikings, Giants, Bucks. Noah, Rams, Sexy, Jets. Tanner, Falcons. Tanner, Dolphins. Colts, Chargers. Tim, Steelers, Vin, Bears, and the Raiders. Bears and the Raiders. Alright, guys. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Gotta fix this shadow. It's not working. Sealed up. Alright, guys, bear with me. I gotta get this box out of the way. There it is. Alright, see what else we got here. Jason, I'm not sure what's in this. 262456. 262466. Anybody recognize the auto? You guys know who it is? It's not Aaron Donald. Future Hall of Famer. He'll be first ballot for sure. Nope. Yep. It is Larry Fitzgerald for Pitt. Larry Fitzgerald Pitt helmet. There's not too many of those floating around, guys. Larry Fitzgerald Pitt helmet. Larry Fitzgerald for the Arizona Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals. Very nice. JSA certified. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Where'd it go? Jonathan. There you go, man. You got yourself a Larry Fitzgerald Pittsburgh University autograph full-size helmet, man. That thing is sick. Super sick. 5 times, whoever's on top, free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. Lucky, you're guaranteed a spot 4 times, 5 times. And Jonathan, there you go. Sorry, I don't know why I said lucky. Free spot 112. Cool. That's premium full size number 27. Number 27. Alright, guys, very cool. Full size helmet going out to Jonathan there. Alright, guys, any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Instagram and Facebook, P-SPORTSCARDS24. Never miss a live break. And yeah, guys, appreciate it. Have yourself a good one. Thank you.